This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Insert the ignition key into the lock, rotate it anti-clockwise to release the bonnet, then clockwise to release the safety catch. Open the bonnet and support it with the prop. The engine oil filler cap and level dipstick are often brightly coloured for easy identification. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, then fully reinsert it. Withdraw the dipstick again and examine the oil level. If the oil is below or near the minimum mark, topping up is necessary. Rotate the filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Add the correct grade of oil a little at a time, checking the level on the dipstick frequently, bringing the level up to the maximum mark. Don't overfill. Securely refit the filler cap. The coolant expansion tank is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. The maximum and minimum levels are indicated on the side of the tank. If topping up is necessary, with the engine cold, slowly unscrew the filler cap to allow any residual pressure to escape. Add a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water to the expansion tank to bring the level up to the maximum mark. Then securely refit the filler cap. The fluid reservoir is located on the right-hand side of the engine compartment. The fluid level must be kept between the maximum and minimum levels at all times. If topping up is necessary, clean the area around the top of the reservoir, then unscrew the filler cap. Add new DOT4 fluid from a sealed container. Securely refit the filler cap. The power steering fluid reservoir is located at the front of the engine compartment. With the engine turned off and the wheels in the straight ahead position, the level should be up to the maximum mark on the side of the reservoir. If topping up is necessary, clean the top of the reservoir and unscrew the filler cap. Add the correct fluid as necessary, then securely refit the filler cap. The screen wash filler cap is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. Rotate the cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Add a mixture of screen wash additive and water. Refit the filler cap. Clip the support back into place on the front panel, then firmly close the bonnet.